morning, friends. Now we are discussing uses of forecasting and limitations. So, as we discussed in the earlier class, it will help in production planning and control so that there will not be too much of fluctuations so that all the departments will work in unity. So it helps in collective responsibility. So it helps in material management and how much capital is required. So limitations are like forecasting will be purely on the past data, but the future copy of the past. So forecasts are only estimates. Rarely they yield the accurate results. So assumptions and the guess will lead to the errors. So war-like situation, natural calamities, change in the economy of the country. So if new product is arrived, all these things are affecting forecasting. So factors affecting the sales forecasting or even my demand forecasting. So external factors is like that. So relative state of the economy. So that is the economy of the country. So it is not in the hands of the organization. So it is the external factor affecting my sales. So direct and indirect competition from my competitors. Then styles are the fashions of the customers. So they are not matching with the products the organization has manufactured. So then the consumer earnings will not be the same at all the times. So depending on the earnings of the consumer, so the demand or sales will also change. So weather conditions and political conditions. So these are also the factors outside the organization affecting the demand for the product or sales of the product. So internal factors. So labor problems. So they are within the organization. So then inventory shortages. So I may not have the required raw material in hand at the production time. So then working capital shortage. So then price changes. So production capacity shortage. Then new product lines. So all these things are affecting the sales or demand forecasting. So then methods of forecasting. As we have seen, there are two methods of forecasting. One is the qualitative methods, so the other one is the quantitative methods. So qualitative methods. Here, first method is jury or executive opinion. So it is a technique in which opinions of high-level executives who are gathered together a small group. So the opinions of this small group consisting of high-level executives will be taken. So based on which a group estimate of demand will be obtained. So the second one is sales force composite. So it is pooled sales force estimate. So that is I have my sales team. So that is located at every territory, maybe at a district level or a taluk level. So each sales team will estimate what sales is going to happen in his territory. So they are combined at the district level or at a national level so that a overall estimation of the demand will be arrived. So then market research is consumer survey method. So that we are determining the interest of the consumer in our product by taking the sample consumer opinions. Then Delphi method. So the staff personnel will prepare, distribute, collect, and summarize the series of questionnaires so that it helps the decision makers, which is consisting a group of 5 to 10 experts, so that they will obtain the forecast value. So classification of forecasting methods. So we have opinion and judgmental methods, time series methods, and least square or regression methods. So opinion survey or market research, market trials method, Delphi technique and nominal group technique. So in time series methods, we have simple average, simple moving average. So then a weighted moving average, simple exponential smoothing, then exponential smoothing with trend adjustment. So when it is asked to mention about the various methods of forecasting. So this classification has to be shown. Opinion and judgmental method, then we have time series methods and least square or regression method. So which is consisting of sub methods under these headings. We'll see one by one. So, in opinion and judgment methods, we have these sub-methods. So, that is opinion survey or market research. The name itself says that, so the opinion of the end users will be taken. So, that is market research will be done to know the demand of my product. Then market trials method, Delphi technique and nominal group technique. So this is under the first one. So that is opinion and judgmental methods. So then second one is the time series methods. So here we have formulas to calculate the forecasting value. So that is we have simple average, simple moving average, weighted moving average, simple exponential smoothing with trend adjustments. So opinion survey or market research. So it will be usually done for new products. So then opinion will be taken from the buyers. Then the questions like why they buy a particular product, what is the expectation of the buyers, and here a sample opinion of the customer will be taken by doing surveying and forecast the targeted population. So for the particular product what we are manufacturing, we have a target population. So taking the opinions from such population. So then market trials method. So it is done usually for new product trial. And when the company is going to produce a new product, so then market trial will be followed. So anticipation of acceptability of product, whether the new product produced is acceptable by the end users. Then experiment in the market area and method of presentation. So this method involves too much of cost because since the product is very new, so advertisements about the new product to be getting released and the campaigns to be done. So, for example, if you take the company is going to release to new toothpaste or new soap or shaving accessories or cosmetics, etc. Thank you.